The start, the focus is compression, and then I simply come up and down, up and down. I'm trying to squeeze that dome as hard as I possibly can the entire time. I'm never releasing that compressive force. It's here and it's here. Notice how I'm doing a squat, not a hip hinge. When you come off the dome, you're gonna feel light, meaning you have balance through the balls of the feet, captured the full power of the haunch. If you're to do a lunge, it's going to feel very powerful and balanced. If you're going to lift a weight, it's going to feel like you can really nail a good position to lift heavier weights. Fantastic conditioning as well. So, you progressively work up in weight with the kettlebell, and you'll find that you can lift very heavy kettlebells doing the compression kettlebell swing once you get the technique. So, you simply work up to whatever weight is appropriate for you. Don't be in a hurry to increase the weight. It's about the compression. So, I'm compressing. I set that pattern, activating the glutes big time, and then swing it low at first, here, and as you learn the movement, you can project it up, and you catch it at the bottom of that squat. You catch it at the bottom of that squat. You may feel your toes flexing as you're working for the balance. You want to extend the toes and work to not flex them. We like to do sets of 20 reps. You get off, the conditioning effect, metabolics is huge, and the activation, like I've been saying, through the haunch, through the glutes and upper hamstrings, it's like nothing you've ever felt before. I want to reiterate, this is not about instability. It's completely different than the original Bosu ball, which is a wonderful training stimulus in its own right, but this is completely different because the density and the firmness is so hard that it gives us that substantial base that feeds us back to make it about resistance, not about instability. The inward compressive force is the key to this exercise. You have to maintain the intent of that inward compression, and the Bosu ball is going to give back whatever you can give to it. You squat 600 pounds, you can't crush the dome. It's going to feed you right back. So, perform that exercise, look at the compression squat video to really get familiar and perfect that first. Try this exercise out, and I guarantee you will find it incredible, and it will become a staple element in your training arsenal. Compressions, kettlebell swings using the Bosu Elite.